Breaking. Unbelievable. Odunlade Adekola and Eniola Ajao's alleged secret relationship. If you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. In a development that has sent ripples through the Nigerian entertainment industry, speculations have emerged about a possible secret relationship between Nollywood superstar Odunlade Adekola and his frequent co-star, Eniola Ajao. The duo, who have shared undeniable chemistry on screen, have sparked rumors following their close collaborations on multiple movie projects. Fans have noted their consistent appearances together at events, on movie sets, and in promotional materials. Sources within the industry suggest that their professional relationship might extend beyond the cameras, with some insiders claiming that the two share a special bond that has fueled whispers of a secret romance. Eniola Ajao, a talented actress and graduate of the Odunlade Adekola Film Production, or AFP, has often credited Adekola for her rise to stardom. In interviews, she has praised his mentorship and guidance. However, neither party has publicly addressed the ongoing rumors about their personal lives. Fans and colleagues alike have taken to social media to voice their opinions. While some dismiss the claims as baseless gossip, others speculate that the chemistry between the pair is too convincing to be purely professional. As the story unfolds, neither Odunlade Adekola nor Eniola Ajao has issued an official statement to confirm or deny the rumors. Their fans eagerly await clarity, with many hoping that the truth, whatever it may be, does not overshadow their remarkable contributions to the Nigerian film industry. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.